Alright, here's the Poulan 2150 chainsaw, just demonstrating that it works good. Comes with this nice case shaped for the chainsaw. It starts up pretty easy. You just put the orange switch to on, and if need be, pull out the blue choke, and then press the dark red priming bulb, and then it should start within 3 tries. The two-cycle gas and oil goes in here, and the bar chain oil goes in here. Nice, easy to add caps. So hold it down to the ground solid, and just pull. There we go. And